He said, wait, I said, my leg, they scratch me. Now I bend down to scratch my leg. He said, I want to pick the dollar. Man, stretch that hand. Why I want to pick the dollar? Now he knock me the iron for hand.
Wait, he said when you stretch hand, you still stretch hand. Not this time you want to pick the dollar.
Pick which dollar? You don't know
why you go pick? You see anybody bend down scratch yesterday? You see anybody bend down
so
scratch
all
yesterday?
this thing why I explain, you know, here that you don't say
why you go scratch for Davido wedding? You see anybody bend down yesterday scratch?
So I never scratch my leg. Now you talk. So I never bend down.
So but why you go stretch your hand? Where they say when you stretch and where you want to see him now. No.
So all this explanation why I give you. I mean, I blame myself.
You go pick dollar.
I blame myself.
You go pick dollar.
Blame myself.
You
Stop
go
answer
pick dollar. You go pick dollar. You go all the you leave Abuja, go pick dollar.
Stop him.
You go. They don't break your head.
Now you wait stop answer you now.
See I'm not thief. You see anybody bend down yesterday? You see anybody bend down yesterday?
Stop and they follow me.
Thief. They don't break your hand. Thief.